Hello everyone and welcome to Crypto Fork. In this video we are going to speak about a situation about what is happening in the markets. Another cryptocurrency, one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges is actually bankrupt again. The bad news is actually started. What's going to happen with the debt? What is the next? Actually the support and resistance levels, of course, of the Bitcoin. What is going to happen in the next few months and where we are in this Bitcoin cycle, what will happen in the next 2-3 months, and why I'm still staying bullish even where the news are so bad. So if you are watching my channel for the first time, this is the right time, guys, to subscribe and like this video. And if you will have any questions until the end of this video, it's very important to write your questions in the comments below, because I am reading all the questions and answering to all of them. So thank you very much for watching my video, guys. Let's start with this very important video, because right now there is a lot of negativity in the financial market and on the cryptocurrencies. We saw another cryptocurrency exchange that actually bankrupt, one of the biggest. Of course, this is Hotbit, but I'm going to speak about that just in few minutes. Let's look what is happening in the markets. The price of the Bitcoin is about 26,700 US dollars. The Bitcoin dominance is 45.5 percentages. We can see that in the last 2 months we're in the same price period. We can see that we are in about 26,000, 27,000, 28,000, 29, 30,000. We can see that we are still in the same places. But actually, the way how the manipulation is happening in the market is making us make more and more mistakes. We will speak about that in the end of this video. The price of the altcoins, we can see that is actually stable, but a little bit falling to the downside. And again, it's make us to make more and more mistakes, because when we are seeing that actually nothing is happening with our portfolio for the last 2 months, but is actually falling a little bit every week, every day, then this is the place to make mistakes. But of course, I will tell you why you must stay bullish. Of course, this is not a financial advice. We can see that more cryptocurrencies exchanges like Hotbit. I can tell you that I was a customer of Hotbit as well. I know a lot of YouTubers that actually had their referral link to Hotbit. And yes, guys, this is makes more and more negativity to the market. The reason why this cryptocurrency exchange that was one of the biggest is actually bankrupt, because, and this is very important to understand, that because there is no volume. No one, guys, is right now trading. I can tell you from myself that I sold my Solana just few days ago, and actually the price is moved pairs to Solana to US dollars. It means that no one right now, and I want to tell you that it was just few thousand of US dollars. It was not even a high volume. So it means that no one right now is trading. The volume right now is really low. No one is trading. So let me ask you a question. Why do you think that this is the midterm or maybe short term high? I don't think so, because right now no one is buying, and the reason why the manipulations are happening from 15,500 to 31,000 is in order to actually liquidate all the people that opened their short position here and actually waited for 10, 12,000. We already spoke about this short position that people opened since November of 2021 and made high amount of profits. Right now, actually 90 percentages of the short position actually liquidated, and this was the reason. But another reason why actually people are making this manipulation, this is in order to actually sell the Bitcoin in the highs, as we saw with 69,000. But the thing is that right now no one is buying Bitcoin. There is no volume on the exchanges, and again, you can see that on these exchanges that right now they are closing. We see negative information People are selling their Bitcoin, and there is a reason why they are doing that. I am telling you, and I'm telling this in all my videos since January of 2023. My target until the end of the year is about 40 to 45,000 for one Bitcoin. I really believe in that. I think that the way to 45,000 going to be really hard. In the end of this video, I'm going to show you my short-term and mid-term strategics, why what I think that will happen in the near term. Of course, I want to speak about where we are right now in our Bitcoin cycle. In front of your eyes at the top, you can see the Bitcoin charts in 2019. In the bottom, you can see the chart right now in 2023. I think that in the next 2-3 months, when the situation will be, guys, bullish, finally the situation will be bullish. Let me tell you a small secret: everything will be fine with the debt. Of course, we are going to speak about the debt in few moments, but everything going to be fine with the debt. I think, and I imagine that will be more and more banks that will be bankrupt, and then the Federal Reserve, of course, will start to print more money that actually will bring us the opportunity to break these strong resistance levels to our new midterm all-time high of about 45,000 for one Bitcoin. We can see in the chart in front of our eyes that 1 year before the halving, and yes, guys, we are right now finally 1 year before the halving, we can see that we are never reached the lows of the last bear market, and right now we are 1 year before the halving. These yellow lines, this is actually the halving in 2012, in 2016, in 2020, and 2024 is going to be the next halving. I don't think that we're going to touch 15,000 anymore, and we are not going to see ever again, not a financial advice, these lows of 50,000. Yes, guys, we might touch 21,000, 22, 23, 24,000 US dollars, and I'm going to speak about that in the end of this video. But we can see that in 2012, we actually, when we was 1 year before the halving, we actually touched similar and actually near the bottom of this bear market, and then we never touched these levels again. In 2016, we can see the same thing. We was near, but we never touched the lows. In 2020, we actually was really near the lows, and we never touched these levels again. From my point of view, we can touch 20,000. Actually, it's going to happen where the economics problems will be raised. I think that with the debt, everything will be fine in the near future, guys. I really believe in that everything will be fine with the debt in the near future, because the United States of America, the economic of the United States of America is really strong. What is happening right now is actually games between the Democrats and the Republicans. 7-3 times, same story every time. But actually, when they need to publish more negativity to the market, this is what they are doing. They are speaking about the debt. They are actually bankrupt more and more cryptocurrencies exchange, and all the news that you are seeing in the market are negative. By the weekly chart, we can see that we are still in the same place when we were 2 months ago. Nothing is changed, guys. Our next support level, and this is very important, is 25,300. Next support level is 24,000 that I really believe that we can touch, but the strongest one is 21,000. I think that in the next 2 months, next one months, we can touch these levels, but from then, guys, to the moon. Positive news until the end of this year, and I think that something is going to happen just in the end of 2023. Thank you very much for watching my videos. My name was CryptoFork. All you have to do in order to stay updated is just click on the subscribe and the like button. If you will have still questions until the end of this video, just write me in the comments below. Thank you very much. See you in the next cryptocurrency video. Bye bye.